Hello children. So as usual we are going to try a very interesting activity in Discovery today. So for that I have made a setup. So let us go to that. See, you can see that there is a tray and in the tray I have taken colored water so that it is visible. Okay, and there is set of 4 candles. First only one candle is there. In second stage there are two candles. Third there are 3 candles and fourth there are 4 candles. So what I am going to do, I will burn these candles and one by one I will invert a glass in each set of candles and let us see, observe what happens. So let us try it with single candle. I am burning the candle and I will invert the glass on it. So let us see what happens. Slowly you can see the flame is going off, right? And the water is raised in the glass. You can see the water is still here. I will just do the marking here, okay, with the marker pen. Yes. Okay. Now the same thing we will try with the 2 candles. Let us try it with the 2 candles now. Okay. I will invert the glass. Let us see what happens. The first candle is lit off. Now the second also. You can see the level of the water that is raised on in the glass is little bit more compared to the single candle. The same thing we will try with the third set of candles where there are 3 candles. Let us see. Three candles are there. So let us see now what happens when we just invert the glass on this set. So now let us see what happens when we invert the glass on the 3 candles together. Here you can see the marking. This is for one single candle. This is for 2 candles. So now let us see what happens. The water is rising up. See, it is above the level of the 2 candles mark also. See. So it has come till here. Right? First, second and third mark. Now the same thing we will do with the 4 candles. Let us see what happens. So now here there are 4 candles, okay. So now here 4 candles are burning and I will invert the glass on it immediately. Let us see what happens. You can see that the water is rising and there are 3 markings. Let us see whether it goes above the third marking. Yes, it is going. So it is rising above the third marking. Till here it is. Okay children, so let us see the conclusion. Okay. So let us try to understand exactly what happened. The first thing is that when we burn the candle, the air which is there around the candle, it becomes hot. And you know very well that hot air always expands. Okay, this is the first thing. Secondly, when we cover the same candle with the glass, the air which is used out, or the oxygen which is used up, that place is become vacant, and that vacancy of the place of the air is trapped or is covered by the water, and so the water enters the glass jar. You know that very well. But there is one more reason why the level of the water is different for different number of candles. You can see the levels. This is for 1 candle, 2 candle, 3 candle and 4 candle. It is in increasing order. The reason is that, children, when we burn the candle and cover it with the jar, the air which is becoming hot, it expands, but more number of candles will make the air to be expanded in more quantity, first of all. Secondly, as soon as the candle gets extinguished, the air becomes cool, and due to this low pressure is created, but already outside is the high pressure zone. So this contradicting position allows the water to rise in the jar very easily and in a speed. So more the quantity of air is expanded, more the difference between the high pressure and the low pressure will be created, and that is the reason why the level of water is different in different number of candles. I hope you got it. So what will be the conclusion from this experiment? We can say that the difference between the low pressure and the high pressure created due to the different number of candles is not same, and that is the reason the level of the water which is been rising, it is not same. The less candles, less pressure difference will be there. More candles, more difference will be there between the low pressure and the high pressure created. Okay, so I think you can try it very easily at home and just find out on your own also.